everybody, welcome back to FreshCo Graphics. Today, we'll talk about designing a room with indoor plants. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. Designing a room with indoor plants can bring a touch of nature into your home and improve your health and well-being. Plants have been proven to improve air quality, reduce stress and anxiety, and even boost your mood. Incorporating indoor plants into your home decor can be a simple and cost-effective way to enhance your living space and bring a touch of the outdoors inside. There are many different ways to design a room with indoor plants, depending on your personal style and the room's purpose. For example, a relaxing bedroom might be filled with lush, leafy plants like ferns, while a busy office might benefit from the energizing properties of plants like aloe vera or English ivy. When selecting plants, consider their size, growth rate, and light requirements. You can also choose plants that complement the color scheme and decor of your room. Incorporating indoor plants into your design is also a great way to add texture and color to a room. Lush green leaves can provide a pop of color and contrast with other decor elements, while the different shapes and sizes of plants can help to create interest and depth. You can display plants in a variety of ways, from hanging them from the ceiling to grouping them together on shelves or stands. For a modern look, try mixing and matching different types of plants and containers for a chic, eclectic style. Another way to bring the outdoors inside is to create a green wall or vertical garden. This involves arranging plants on a wall or other vertical surface, creating a stunning and natural focal point. You can use a variety of plants, from ferns and succulents to climbing vines, to create a lush and vibrant green wall. When designing a room with indoor plants, it is also important to consider their placement. Make sure that plants are positioned where they will receive the appropriate amount of light and water, and that they will not block natural light sources or cause a tripping hazard. Additionally, consider the type of plants you select. Some plants release moisture into the air, which can be helpful for dry climates or homes with indoor air quality issues. Others, like snake plants or spider plants, are great for removing pollutants from the air. Designing a room with indoor plants is a great way to bring a touch of nature into your home. Not only are indoor plants beautiful and functional, they can also have a positive impact on your health and well-being. Whether you prefer lush green ferns or elegant succulents, there is an indoor plant that is perfect for your design style and space. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make a room with indoor plants for your home. Thank you.